Welcome to the year 2200. As the sun rises over Earth, humanity wakes up in a world transformed by centuries of innovation. Cities are greener, cleaner, and smarter than ever before. Your home already knows you're awake. The walls become transparent, natural sunlight fills the room, and every system adjusts itself to create the perfect start to your day. A highly intelligent AI assistant greets you with today's schedule, weather forecast, and personal reminders. It understands your habits and prepares everything before you even ask. A smart mirror performs a complete health scan in just seconds. It checks your heartbeat, stress level, hydration, and overall wellness without a single medical device. Meanwhile, your robotic kitchen prepares a perfectly balanced breakfast based on your body's nutritional needs. Every meal is personalized for maximum health. As the family gathers, holographic news and global updates appear above the table. Information flows naturally into daily life without interrupting real conversations. Children no longer rely on traditional classrooms. Interactive AI tutors and holographic lessons make learning faster, more immersive, and tailored to every student's abilities. Your wardrobe automatically selects the ideal outfit based on today's weather, schedule, and even your personal style. Getting ready has never been easier. Stepping onto the balcony reveals a breathtaking future. Flying vehicles move silently through the sky as green skyscrapers and clean energy systems power an extraordinary civilization. This is only the beginning of an ordinary day in the year 2200. But as you'll soon discover, the future holds even more incredible surprises beyond imagination. In 2200, traffic jams are history. Autonomous flying vehicles arrive exactly when needed, turning every morning commute into a fast, quiet, and effortless journey. Artificial intelligence controls every aircraft simultaneously, creating invisible highways in the sky where millions of vehicles travel safely without accidents. For longer distances, next-generation Hyperloop systems transport people across entire continents in just a matter of minutes. Magnetic trains float above their tracks, eliminating friction and delivering incredibly smooth journeys at breathtaking speeds. Reaching space is no longer reserved for astronauts. Space elevators connect Earth to orbit, making space travel as routine as taking an ordinary elevator. Personal air taxis provide fast transportation across cities, allowing people to travel directly to their destination without roads or traffic lights. Even the oceans have become transportation networks, with underwater routes connecting coastal cities through breathtaking glass tunnels. A planetary AI constantly monitors every vehicle, predicting problems before they happen and ensuring transportation remains perfectly efficient. For many people in 2200, weekend vacations to the Moon or Mars have become as common as international flights once were. In the year 2200, transportation is no longer just about reaching a destination. It has become a seamless, intelligent experience that connects humanity across Earth and far beyond. By the year 2200, work is no longer about repetitive tasks. Humans focus on creativity and innovation, while AI handles complex calculations and routine operations. Artificial intelligence has become the perfect teammate, assisting people with research, design, and decision-making in every profession. Education has become fully immersive. Students don't just read about science, they experience it through lifelike holograms and intelligent AI teachers. With brain-computer interfaces, learning that once took years can now happen in just hours, opening limitless possibilities for future generations. Dangerous and expensive experiments are now performed safely inside realistic virtual laboratories powered by artificial intelligence. Distance no longer limits teamwork. Whether on Earth or Mars, people work together through real-time holographic communication. Creativity reaches new heights when humans and artificial intelligence combine imagination with limitless computing power. Language barriers have disappeared. AI translates every conversation instantly, allowing people from every culture to communicate naturally. The workplace is no longer tied to a single location. People can work from anywhere while remaining connected to the entire world. In 2200, knowledge has become humanity's greatest resource. Learning never stops, innovation never slows, and every new discovery shapes a brighter future. The cities of 2200 are living ecosystems, where nature and technology exist in perfect harmony, creating cleaner, healthier, and smarter places to live. Every building produces oxygen, absorbs pollution, and provides natural habitats, transforming entire cities into giant vertical forests. As cities expanded upward, floating neighborhoods created new living spaces high above the ground, offering breathtaking views in cleaner air. Buildings can now repair themselves automatically, using intelligent nanotechnology to prevent damage before it becomes a problem. Unlimited clean energy powers every home, vehicle, and city, making pollution and fossil fuels nothing more than history. A powerful citywide AI quietly manages transportation, utilities, emergency services, and environmental systems every second of the day. Nothing is wasted in the year 2200. Every material is recycled and reused, creating a truly sustainable civilization. Advanced climate technology helps reduce the impact of extreme weather, creating safer and more comfortable environments for millions of people. In these cities, technology doesn't replace nature, it protects and enhances it, allowing people and the environment to thrive together. The cities of 2200 are more than places to live. They are intelligent, sustainable ecosystems designed to help humanity flourish for generations to come. By the year 2200, hospitals have become intelligent healing centers where artificial intelligence detects diseases before the first symptoms even appear. Tiny medical nanobots constantly patrol the human body, repairing injuries, eliminating infections, and keeping people healthier than ever before. Failed organs are no longer a life-threatening problem. New organs can be grown using advanced biotechnology and safely transplanted when needed. Genetic medicine has eliminated many inherited diseases, giving future generations the opportunity to live longer and healthier lives. Aging has slowed dramatically. People remain healthy and active for far longer, enjoying decades of additional life with their families. Bionic technology restores mobility and enhances human abilities, helping millions live independent and fulfilling lives. Future healthcare focuses not only on the body but also on the mind, helping people maintain emotional balance and mental well-being. Every person has a personal AI health companion that monitors their body around the clock and recommends healthy lifestyle choices. With advanced prevention and early treatment, many diseases that once threatened humanity have become extremely rare. In the year 2200, healthcare is no longer about treating illness. It is about helping humanity live longer, healthier, and more meaningful lives. In the year 2200, everyday life is effortless. Intelligent homes quietly manage every detail, giving people more time to focus on what truly matters. AI companions have become trusted assistants, helping people learn, organize their lives, and provide support whenever it's needed. People can instantly experience incredible destinations through immersive virtual reality, making exploration more accessible than ever before. Traditional screens have disappeared. Movies, concerts, and games now surround viewers as lifelike holographic experiences. Sports have evolved into spectacular events where advanced technology enhances both athletic performance and the fan experience. Shopping has become completely personalized. AI understands every preference and delivers exactly what people need in moments. Every meal is carefully designed to match individual nutritional needs, combining exceptional taste with optimal health. Many families enjoy intelligent robotic pets that provide companionship, learn new behaviors, and become part of everyday life. As the day comes to an end, technology fades quietly into the background, allowing people to enjoy meaningful moments with family and friends. Life in the year 2200 is a balance of innovation, comfort, and human connection, a future where technology serves humanity without replacing what makes us human. By the year 2200, traveling beyond Earth has become part of everyday life. Spaceports connect our planet with colonies across the solar system. The moon is no longer just a destination for astronauts. It has become a thriving home for thousands of people living beneath protected domes. Mars has evolved into humanity's second home, where science, innovation, and exploration continue to shape the future of civilization. Massive orbital stations provide comfortable homes for thousands of people, complete with artificial gravity and breathtaking views of Earth. Asteroids have become valuable sources of rare materials, providing the resources needed to support humanity's expanding civilization. Space tourism has become a popular adventure, allowing ordinary families to experience the beauty of Earth from orbit. AI explorers travel farther than humans ever could, discovering new worlds and expanding our understanding of the universe. A vast transportation network now links multiple worlds, making travel across the solar system faster and more reliable than ever before. Human curiosity knows no limits. Our greatest journeys have only just begun as we reach beyond the solar system toward the stars. In the year 2200, humanity is no longer defined by a single planet. Together, we have become a civilization that reaches across the stars, united by curiosity, innovation, and hope. The year 2200 is not the end of humanity's journey. It is only the beginning of an even greater adventure that stretches far beyond our imagination. Artificial intelligence has become humanity's greatest partner, solving challenges that once seemed impossible while helping civilization continue to grow. Humanity now builds engineering projects so enormous that they can only exist in the vastness of space. Entire stars now provide energy for humanity, unlocking power on a scale once imagined only in science fiction. Human civilization has expanded beyond the solar system, connecting distant worlds into a thriving interstellar community. As humanity explores deeper into the universe, the search for life beyond Earth continues to inspire every new generation. No matter how advanced technology becomes, humanity's greatest strength remains its imagination, compassion, and desire to explore. Every new discovery opens another door, reminding us that the universe is far larger and more mysterious than we have ever imagined. The greatest journey is not measured by distance, but by our endless curiosity to discover what lies beyond the next horizon. Perhaps the world of 2200 will never look exactly like this. But every great future begins with a dream. The choices we make today will shape the tomorrow of generations to come. The future is not something we wait for, it is something we create.